Good morning everyone. So this is our persimmon tree and it's ready to pick very soon. See this, guys? See? Oh my God, ang dami na palang nahulog. Ayan si Lady, guys. Oh. Kumakain din ng persimmon to si Lady. Hello guys! Welcome back again. So today, mamimitas tayo ng persimmon. Ayan guys. Ayan. Dito pa. Na, aray. Napitas ko na persimmon, guys. Just a box for now kasi wala na akong oras. I need to go to work.